Anything, bro. Now, if you look at, if you take the trade there, see the stop loss, very stingy stop loss, 9 pips. See your profit. See, practice these things. If by this week going forward, anybody black account for this group again, we'll just remove you. Everybody will show their results. We'll just remove you from this group. We're not joking, no. We're not joking again. For me to take my time, I asked you guys to pay for my data. You guys not even pay. It's only one person. I didn't complain. So it will be very, very bad. You'll be slapped, you'll be
My God.
embarrassed, disgraceful. So you still blue account. After this thing, come on now. Come on. So this is business, bro. Even if you're working, all of us as in business. This is your mark. You see the price already here. Use this guy. It's called price label. Mark the price that's there. Since you're waiting for it to return. Go to your business. Once you open your business, you see something like a clock icon. Click it, is an alert. Choose the same pair you analyze. Put that particular price range there. Continue your work. Once price get to that place, business will disturb you until you check. You know how alert is now. They will disturb you. I've tried it before. It will disturb you until you now open and okay, price have come to my PY. You just wait. You just wait to see change of character. Either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 minute. You just want to see change of character. Take it. As long as your higher time frame has confirmed that this is as a PY, take it. It will work. Let me show you your drive. I think today I waited. See, you need to say I waited for that analysis. Was it this guy? Was it this guy? Was it this guy? V75. 75. Was it this guy? Ah, yes, it was. Now see the same thing. Oh, let me show you again. Same thing. So what happened? This was yesterday candle. So this was previous day high. This was what? Previous day low. Simple. Now price was gravitating towards the high. So I just dropped to roadblock, which is 4 hours. Daily work with 4 hours. Now for the 4 hours, I waited for what? Sweep of liquidity. Look at it. Sweep of liquidity. Immediately it play, right? Immediately it sweep. See the next thing I did. Drop to the third time frame. Go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Did you see? Change to line chart. Change of character happen here. Price and retrace. Say back to where you ordered there from. You're out. You're out. No dey greedy. You're out. Okay, I don't want to take on 15 minutes. Let me still wait for 1 minute. Fine. This is the time frame. The retracement. Go to 1 minute. And let's see what happened there. Change to candle line chart so it will be clearer. Change of character, bro. Change of character. Support become resistance. Resistance becomes support. Resistance untouched. Change back. This will happen. Tapped. Drop. This thing work anywhere. Anywhere, bro. Anywhere. And if it's okay, I want to is other block. This was the other block that causes move. If other block is taken out, it becomes what? A breaker block. Same price came back. Drop. See? The same thing, bro. The same thing. The same thing. The same thing. How many pips from here to here? This one a blood money. Oh. So this is 1,300 pips. So I can go on and on. So please, I beg you, practice this thing. First, what do? Let me use another pair. Use big time frame, probably let's say daily. Every day before I trade, I check my daily. Every day before I trade, check my daily. Now, see what happened here. Okay, for those of you that don't know super liquidity, let me just talk a little so I'll conclude with that. I know my friends know it, but for two of my bosses we just join. Let me just explain that liquidity again. Now, liquidity controls this market, whether I like it or not. Hmm? Whether I like it or not. So you need to see three candles. 1, 2, 3. I hope none of you is sleeping. Oh.
No,
Who sleep now?
all
I
my
lose
pikin
now.
no go sleep.
I hope none of you is
Exactly.
sleeping. Oh.
Toto is active.
Who sleep now? I lose.
And they've taken my light. I'm going to carry this gem, go outside. Go help me. All right. So anybody sleep, go over for this group. It's like we'll make roll call. All right. So three candles, right? This was sale now. Now pay attention. Even if you know it, pay attention now. I think I've modified this thing. Now, of course, there will be a high and a low. The first candle, allow the first candle to open and close. The second one, there must be a sweep. Like the week must take out this other week. Mark it. Mark am. No say I know am, mark am. This is what we call sweep of liquidity. This was a high. Now this is the latest high, protected high. So this becomes your stop loss. Remember, market structure high, low, high, low. This low, this other high, this other low has protected this one. So before price will get to this, he has to deal with this guy. So this low is not protecting this, and price close below it. Immediately you see this two structure, this third one, as it's opening, take a vertical line and place there. Let's say this is 4 hours, right? Put it there. As the candle is doing up and down, up and down, up and down, just place it immediately. Switch to 15 minutes. Once you switch to 15 minutes, what you want to see there is something like this. So this guy here is the high, which is that stop loss. This one that we mark. This sweep of liquidity will be somewhere around here. And your target is this range. Remember, I swept the high, so it will be targeting this low. So that low will be this guy. So where is price retracing to? Change of trend, change of character. And the support that all resistance is there. Another thing that should be there too, order block. This is what you want to see. Now, going back, there's that guy. You see the three candle is complete. Watch. Liquidity sweep. High. I know what happened to this. It was news. News came out on Friday. That's why the news swept this high. Like I treated this guy. So you target this third one. Daily work with what? 1 hour. But the roadblock, let's see roadblock first. where we should take profit before retracement. Change to line chart. Um, First roadblock, second roadblock, third roadblock. These are where you take profit. Now, so they work with 1 hour. So let's 1 hour. What happened in 1 hour? Network is perfect. Now, 1 hour has already given you this sale already. Price retrace, there's a break of structure here. Price retrace, you sell, target this order, this low. You're out. Before that news, you're out. So let's see what happens here. Change to line charts. Do you see? Price retrace there and drop. Let's say, I don't want to take trade there. I want to take it on smaller time frame. No wahala. Go to 5 minutes. Change to line charts. This will happen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Price break. Price break. This is a high. This is a low. Watch. So when price went back there. Okay, I don't want to look at that side. I want to look from the vertical line. Let's see again. Look what happened here. High, low, high. Price take it out. This was the low. This was the resistance, turn support. Support, turn resistance, whatever. See what happened. This is your stop loss. Target where? This low. You are out. 115 pips. So as you keep doing this thing and you understand it, you start increasing your lots. This is my own system. This is how I trade. This is a system I trade. This system requires patience. Once it's set, it's going to play. It requires a lot of patience. That patience is marking your POI on higher time frame, wait for price to retrace, give you sweep or liquidity. Place your vertical line to the third candle immediately open, wait for change of character or break of structure. Attack. That is it. You see this thing bar? This thing gave me headache the first time I learned it. The person that was teaching me on YouTube. This was the structure. It was yesterday I understood it. This was the structure. Um, this is a structure everybody trades. Everybody. Any strategy you're trading will give you this structure. Go to YouTube, go to TikTok, go to Twitter, check out the big traders. You see them post this thing. But I bet you, like this, you will never understand it like this. See, this thing when I was studying this particular one, I wish I can snap my notes. I draw this thing like 100 times. But when you open the chart, you can never see it. It's not easy to cite it. What does this thing mean? Simple. Change of character happen here. There's a liquidity here. So once price take out liquidity, it's going to drop. I draw this thing, draw this thing, draw this thing. For open chart for here. Now look at it, the same thing. That's exactly what happened here. Let's take out this liquidity, price drop. Same thing happened here. Let's take out liquidity, price drop. That is just this thing. That is just it. That is just it. So I beg you, practice these things. Practice this thing. Practice these things. Practice it. If you can use this night to practice, practice. Practice this night, practice tomorrow. Once market open on Monday. Bro, fund, trade, no fear. As long as you're patient for this thing to complete, trade it. At most, it will hit your stop loss and you're going to lose small money compared to your profit. Out of 5 trades, if 3 or 2 set play, you be on profit. You be on very big profit. So we see the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go and take out that liquidity. Take that liquidity out. Boom. Very hard structure. But with this our system, it's not hard again. As I posted yesterday, I've cracked this thing. You don't understand the joy I had yesterday. This thing has you don't understand. I lost a lot of money. So that's taking out the liquidity and boom, just move. That is the go and search this structure. You see TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, people are teaching it. I bet you they will teach you and teach you. You will not understand how to get this thing. You will never understand it. It's called structural. Some persons call them. There's one guy in Twitter. Go and search Mr. Dax. Dax brand. Dax. Should be my Twitter should be on. Dax. Dax. Very lovely trader. I love him. You know why I love that guy? I love him a lot. That's a very good trader. Plenty of them I follow. That's what they trade. But it took me time to understand it. I have to study. And when I understood it, I didn't even know it was that thing. Until yesterday, I was doing something like that. I saw this thing, I wanted to ask, oh, let's all calm down now. This guy. That is what he trades. That is what he trades, bro. So you don't need to go and study it. Follow what I taught you. That is it. Look at his liquidity. Look at the POI. Price contact. Drop this is target. The same thing. The same thing, man. This is a protected high. That's a stop loss. That light. The same thing. Look at this entry. The same. I can go on. I see. I go on and show you plenty guys are trading. The same thing. That's why they use big lot size. Because they back tested this thing, they practiced it. It work. So in summary, right? Wait for POI. Mark your POI, strong POI. And that POI should come from where? Monthly or weekly or daily. Daily should be what? 4 hours. I've told you. Mark them. Once price return back there, mark your break of structures. Once price return back there, wait for sweep or liquidity. For the sweep or liquidity, mark the third candle, switch to lower time frame. All right. Look for change of character or break of structure on lower time frame. Because from 15 minutes down to 1 minute, even 1 hour down for entries. From 4 hours down to monthly, that is where you do analysis. You don't do analysis on smaller time frame. So this is what you should do this weekend. I summarize with this. Do it like this. Let me show you something now. Let me do it like this. Hope you guys are alive. So nobody's talking.
Very active.
But I wasted your time.
Oga mind the kind mumu person wey dey answer say.
Nobody was saying anything. I called the fear. I don't leave it there. All right. So now look at this, right? Look at this. Let's see. This was weekly. Previous week. This was this week that just closed. Previous week low. Previous week high. Right? Now, please, this I'm just showing now how to use this thing. You got your low and high last week. So this was the week work with 4 hours. Now let's see 4 hours. What happened there? Now on 4 hours, watch what happened. Check where. This was this week. Check where. There's a change of character on 4 hours. Very plain. very clean, and even aligned with the low. So this was weekly low. That is took it out. So that's our break of structure. What now caused the break of structure? Order block. Change to line chart, support, resistance, mark them. No say I know am. No. The more you keep doing this thing, the more your brain registers it. Now when price restore back to that area, price drop. See? Now, at what point do you think this Euro US will start buying this week if you take out this high? Why? Market structure. Low, high, low, high. It was this high that broke this low. So price increasing back. If you close above this, it's going to buy. If you also close above it, there's a speed for liquidity here. It will drop back to this area. And of course, I'm expecting it to drop back to this area because 1, 2, 3, 4 change of character here. So there is obvious order block here. I don't even need to change to candle to see it. Boom. Now, there are also a support. Look at this gap. Support, breaking out, taking out again. Support on resistance. There's another one again. Look at this space. So what are my expectation now? I'm expecting this guy to come here and I'll buy. I'll say here. Or I'll be expecting this guy immediately market open on Sunday evening, buy to this point, probably did not close, give me a sweep of liquidity, drop back here, and probably go and close. Or go down and break. Probably this happen, break, go retest, and continue. Pull the screenshots, pray. So this is what you should be doing.
Screenshot to forward you now.
This is what you should be doing. So finally, if you want to analyze USD, gold, use this guy, US dollar. These days, gold, everyone, gold, I don't understand them again. Doesn't even align much. For those of you also that trade with SNES, use this broker GBE. They align well. GBE, like, let me show you. GBE, just look very well. This right hand side, you see GBE broker. Look at it. It's aligned with our SNES. Having said that, use your US dollar to get correlation. There's that guy. US dollar basket. Why are you looking for it? You're not going to see it. Bad. DXY. I just like that dollar basket. I love that one. Dollar basket. Let's just work with DXY. But dollar basket, I think is there. I think I should have it. Yes, I have it. Now, as a trader, if you're trading Euro USD, see how I mark my own. I follow it every now and then. If this is going down, Euro USD will be going up. That is DSY. If DSY is going down, Euro USD will be going up. Gold will be going up, but sometimes gold don't respect it. Because how dollar will be going up and gold too will be going up. Sometimes doesn't respect it. So for those of you also trade JPY pairs, this guy JPY baskets. If now look at that USD JPY that pumped, because this guy was dumping. I marked it and I saw it. This was my target. It took it out. And you can see what it's trying to do now. Trying to go back here, break of structure, or this other block, and continue dropping. This was why USD JPY started dropping on Friday. These are correlations. You can do more research on your own correlations. Now, for those who that trade BTC, Mr. Brandy and others, make this guy your bunny, your girlfriend, your wife, your guy, USD dominance. This guy, don't joke with it. See, analyze it. As long as this guy is going up, BTC will be going down. Nothing will stop it. So I know BTC will dump. I know it as I know my name. How did I know? There's a break of structure here. Price retrace to the other block. Two other blocks it was there. So for those of you that's crying, hey, it was crypto will always bring that news. Whenever there's a dump, news will come showing you. If you're nice chart from weakness that this was supposed to go up. Now even 1 hour, there's other block here, right? Other price went down, so it's supposed to hold it, but it broke. So it is. See, that's now a breaker block. Of course, there's a change of character to here. Boom, price back. You see, I marked it. Price retrace back. So change to line chart so it will be clearer. I started to see this higher high, higher low, higher low. And boom, I can move. Look at bigger time frames for it to be easier for you. Look at bigger time. This is weekly. Break of structure. Next price going to be high. Break of structure. Price going where? The high. Maybe it was on Monday, last week I posted. I don't take profit. This day I'm starting hot season. This is what I saw. You guys are my brothers. You guys are my friends. That's why I'm showing all these things. I didn't take any money from you. Let's make money together. A blue account, bro. JB Moore, you especially, you and LG2, the both of you, if you, Mrs. Ayo, Susan is not here. Mrs. Susan is not here. These are Miss Susan. She's not here. I know she will watch. If you blue account again, so work with these things. See weekly bar. As a change of character here. One. Change of character happen here. Break of structure happen here rather. So where is price going to? Here. And change to line chart. Look what happened. Break. At the change of character to that happen here. As I always say, let the follow to the complaint. Read, study. This is business, bro. This is business. Study. Once you've gotten this system, you make money. Other block was there. Okay, here. Look at that guy, Mr. Brother. That kind of question you are asking. Look at it. At this point, I will work with liquidity sweep. Look at liquidity sweep. See? Look at liquidity sweep. I'll work with it. And see what is happening. So I'm expecting what? A retracement on this resistance. What I'm expecting. Until go to this point, then we'll now consider BTC to pump again. So let nobody deceive you. Say bull run anywhere. Work. This is your bull run. This is your bear season. Work with this guy. I don't even analyze BTC that much. Analyze this guy. Whatever, if it's support, if that guy is support, I'll go and sell BTC. I don't even check. I will not even check BTC charts. It's not necessary. It's not even necessary. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have for you. And practice this thing. 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 And let me curb your greed now. Let me kill your greed. If you want to trade this thing, see how you trade it. Then I shut down. Let me use obvious one that played out. God help me. Fine, let me use this one. Now, see what happened here. This is a summary of everything we've shouted since. I hope you guys are. Mr. Francis, thank you again for the data money you sent. Okay. This Ayo is not here. That woman carry belle dey learn o that time. As she don born, she still trading. You single, you dey shout up and down. You no even get excuse. You don't even have any excuse o. Na so what happen here. Zoom out, break of structure, gain, break of structure, right? So retracement is imminent. Now, so what happen? This is how you backtest. See what you should backtest the whole of this weekend. Now, first candle, there's a sweep of liquidity. That is a sweep, right? Market. No say you know am. Liquidity, sweep, LS, whatever thing, whatever abbreviation you want to use, mark. Then this becomes a low, protected low. Then what caused this sweep of liquidity? This high. See that now? Now, immediately there's a sweep of liquidity. Go to this third one, which is 4 hours, right? 3 to 15 minutes once it open, and wait to see what change of character or BS. Watch. I don't even need to point it. It's clear. It's clear. See? High. This was the low. High. Took out this one. Low. And boom. It took out this high. Took out another high here. So other block is probably here. So like I said, don't joke with the support and resistance. The support here, V shape. Extend it. So entry. Any other one you see. Now watch what happen again. Other block. Like see when price came back. Very easy. And where is it going to? Your target. You're out. Like this will come your grid. This is your target. Did you get there? Yes. Got there. You did. If it's okay, I don't want to take this trade there. 15 minutes is big. Let's see 1 minute. Change to line charts. Change to line charts. It's obvious now. It's very obvious. High, low. Look at this one. Price drop. Is it a coincidence that price came down to this area before going up? Was it a coincidence? Never. Never. Look again. Price break. There was a low here that causes break of structure. Price came back right there. Pim. The stop loss is low. So repeat the same thing that I just did now. Repeat it. Either daily, weekly, or 4 hours. Mark your break of structure. Mark your market structure. Then price drop to the low to the PY. Wait for liquidity sweep. Like this. Wait for the liquidity sweep. Wait for the liquidity sweep. After the break of structure, liquidity sweep. Mark your low. Mark your sweep for liquidity. Mark your low. Mark your targets. Go to smaller time frame. Wait for break of structure or change of character or even sweep of liquidity. Like this one, I can go to 15 minutes and wait for another sweep of liquidity. Then go to 1 minute to be sure. So mark this thing like this, screenshots. Then switch to 15 minutes. Don't submit to me. Don't submit to me. Go to Hold on, almost forgot the concept. Sorry. Go to any time frame you pick, mark all your markables. Then once you see your sweep of liquidity, mark them, screenshot it and keep on your laptop, on your phone. Then switch to smaller time frame, pick entry as if you traded it, and give a report why you take that trade. Because as a trader, you must give reason to why you take trade. Reason. You must give reason. Someone ask you, why did you take this trade? I can't explain. Bro, you're not a trader. Now, number one, change of character happened their church. That is one reason. Number two, what again? Support on resistance. S, B, R. Then if it's the other way, RBS. Tackle boss will know this one. Robbers. Then, what again do you see there? Other block. OB. Sometimes we see BB. Breaker block. These are your reasons. These are your reasons. And again, higher time frame reason, sweep of liquidity on your POI. Liquidity sweep on where? Your POI. These are your reasons. If you don't see these things, brother and sister, don't trade. Yes, I know some of us, whatever, we won't find trade, we will lose money. Once this thing complete, it will play. Once this thing complete, it will play. Once this thing complete, it will play. It will. So, the same thing, low, high, take out liquidity, break structure, come back, pick price. Boom. This is what every big trader trades. The structure. It's so complex, bro. But don't give attention to it. Do the normal thing. Watch from your entry, you will see this thing. Break, retrace, boom. Break, retrace, boom. So do this thing, and God will bless you very well. Let me do one last one again so you understand. I said, mark your break of structure. Let me see another one I can use now. Mark your break of structure. Mark your break of structure. Yes, POI. Look at this now. Change of character. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change of character. I mean, price will react to this place. Fine. You've gotten it. Change of character happened. Sweep of liquidity has happened. You mark your sweep of liquidity. Mark them. Always mark them. Change of character happen here. Change to line chart happen. Fine. So price have to retrace back to where? Other block. Other block. Change to line charts. You don't see any support or resistance. Of course, there's one space. See? Now price came back there, give you what? Fine sweep of liquidity. Very nice one. Markets. This is my liquidity sweep. This should be my target. My obvious target for scalpers. Of course, this is where you should be targeting, but for scalpers, people will want open plenty positions. This is what you do. This is your target. Then as the candle just close, this third one, right? Go to what? 15 minutes. I pray this guy get there. Screenshot this. This is what you should be doing. This is your back testing now. Screenshot it. Go to 15 minutes. Let's see what happened there. You get there. You get there. You get there. Yes. See what happened. See what happened. Change to line charts. Watch very well. Watch very well. High, low, high. Over break, move. Change of character. See, price has left, but price has to come back to change of character. That other block that caused the change of character. Price has to come back. Tapped it and push. You think it was a coincidence? Never. Never. Price must complete structure. Price must complete structure. Price must complete structure. On bigger time frame, on smaller time frame, it must complete before there is a U-turn. That is exactly what happened here. That is exactly what happened here. Do this, repeat this till if you can do like 100 before market opens. Next week you make profit in 30. So this has been what I've been backtesting for months with my real cash. I was losing money back to back, depressed, frustrated. You don't understand. And I've gotten it and I've showed you guys. So you guys should run with it. Any question? This thing is playing right now, BTC. It should. You know, get excuse. It will play. As long as you're patient enough to wait, it will. Doesn't have any excuse. You're mad. 4 hours. Right? 4 hours is the other block. Now, if you want to trade this, wait for liquidity sweep to happen. Just be patient. Just be patient. Wait for liquidity to be taken. So this is 2 hours more. Just wait for probably 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. If there's liquidity, price will turn. Let's say the roadblock 1 hour. No sweep of liquidity yet. So if you want to trade this 1 hour on, allow this 1 hour candle to close. If you close a sweep of liquidity, you scalp it. This candle will be your target. This one that is supposed to sweep, this other low will be your stop loss. That's if you sweep, just go to smaller time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, load it to this point and get out. That's it. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Any question? Fine, end it. Any question? Any question?
For now, until we practice.
You just have to. Should I've showed you the trade forex and crypto. I've showed you on BTC. See, just focus mainly on USDT and BTC. I think for altcoin, total two. My brain searched me right. Total two. Yeah, this is it. Total two. I think I mark it. Yeah, this is why I was shouting at that. Take profit, oh. There is chat. This is what I saw. This was weekly. It was weekly. Look at it. Weekly high.
Ah,
That's what happened.
so you go still drop. Oh.
they play. Now you see 4 hours. Change of trend happen. It happened here first. External one. This is the major one. External one. This is the major one. Sorry, eternal, external. It happened. Price don't even get back there safe. Begin drop. Almost. So break, retrace, drop. So there should be a retracement anyway. So altcoin 50 pumps more. So monitor. This is for altcoins. But USD control the entire market, the entire crypto market. But this is for mainly for altcoin. As it's dropping now, go and check altcoin. You see the opposite of this. I don't give you too many information for free. So if you blow account, I want to God will punish you, but God will not punish you. So this is altcoin market excluding BTC, I think, yeah. So 1.42 trillion minus 38%. So the minus 38 billion has left from here. So I think total one, that one exclude BTC. Total one, that one include BTC. So you that is trading down, focus mainly on USDT.D. That's all. That's all. So for my forex brothers and sisters, you already know how we do it. We must make money this week. No excuse. Mrs. Favor, no excuse. Mr. Daniel, no excuse.
I'm
Mr.
checking
Daily
that
Go
total one on this thing, trading view. I'm not seeing it.
is there. So why I'm attending to him? Any other question from anybody? There. I've been there active for crypto now. I can't fall in love with forex. See it here now, total. You were expecting to see the one total. Total 2, I think, exclude BTC and Ethereum or something. There's one that I had total 3 exclude BTC and Ethereum. Okay. So run with this knowledge, bro. Go and make money. You see the total one to do the same thing. Was it the total one? Yeah. Same thing. Same structure. Let's see weekly. It swept weekly high. Even come up weekly low. Enough money don't come up for the system. Now imagine when you're able to cash this thing on monthly. You make money. Now imagine this. Imagine this sweep of liquidity on monthly. Bro, you make a lot of money. You already know. See, guy, hot season. This is what we mean by nothing like bull run. This is the hot season. If you catch this kind of move, this is your target. This was the sweep. This is the protected low. This is your entry. At this type like this, even as a forex trader, you just buy, just no use futures, just go on what is it called, spot trading, put small money there, and allow the move and enjoy your ride. How many percent? 88% of your money. So this era, you shouldn't be waiting for someone to tell you bull run is coming, buy the dip. Don't buy any fucking dip, bro. Don't do that. So no other question. No question. No question. Arsenal, you don't want to talk. You don't black. I know we talk now. Hope you understand. Mr. Joshua, my boss, hope you understand. Hope you understand. So go and practice these things, all of you. Practice it. And please, let's try and be dropping signal on the group.
Why did you do that?
Oga, Gerard, why are you not talking? So let's try and be dropping signal. Once you see this thing, drop it on the group. No give us entry, no give us exit. Drop your screenshot on the group. Let's help ourselves. Let's build. Once you see, even for those of you also that trade crypto, drop it. Drop. Let's build so that when I open the group for general public, we know that okay, I'm here. If I've been here. Now we all know the same thing. We did the same level like this. Now me and you did the same level. So let's make this more. So try and drop signals from tomorrow. Everybody drop weekly analysis or weekly direction from tomorrow. Everybody drop. Everybody. Let's make the group busy. All right. So, in absence of any questions, I appreciate all of you for coming. JP More, LG, Favor, Daniel, Michael, DJ2 Solo, Christian, Michael, and my boss, Joshua. All of you shout for DMT. Off your mic. I'm your man. Borika straight. Okay, I see no man. See no man. Don't vex. I don't know. All right. Good night. See you succeed this week.
Amen. Good night.